Jinan Jinshengshin Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is a manufacturer of CNC router in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We started with brand of Superstar in 2006 with several domestic and overseas brands. We have a general investment of $1 million and plant area more than 70,000 square meters. Our machines, including CNC wood router, ATC CNC router, multiple spindle CNC router, rotary CNC router, CNC stone router, foam router, fiber laser cutting machine, CO2 laser engraving machine, plasma cutting machine, glass cutting machine. As a professional CNC router supplier, we have an excellent team focused on product development and design. Also, several teams on quality control and inspection. In order to supply the better products and services, we built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Since 2012, we have had many warehouses and distributors in over 12 countries. First started from Egypt, after that, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Dubai, South Africa, Kenya, Turkey, Russia, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Korea, etc. Most of our products have got CE certificate and SGS test report. Now, Superstar CNC has already served more and more clients over the world. If you have any new ideas or suggestions, feel free to contact us. We are glad to cooperate with you and bring you the best.